What is a mosaic? Today I'm going to teach you how to make a mosaic, but first, the traditional definition of a mosaic is a coherent pattern or image in which each component element is built up of small, regular or irregular pieces of substances, stone, glass, ceramic. We're going to use paper, construction paper best. If you don't have that, you can always color a piece of regular printer paper and cut them into small sections. To start, I know that I want my final piece to be a bee with its wings extended. Since spring is here and summer is around the corner, a lot of bugs are coming out of the woodwork and into our lives whether we like it or not. I started with rounded off wings, trying to make them as even as possible, because bees and most humans are mostly symmetrical. The part just in between the wings is the thorax. This protects the heart, kind of like humans' rib cage. And where you see me drawing the lines on the stinger part is called the abdomen. You can see me drawing the middle legs and the hind legs, trying to make them wide enough to be three-dimensional, so when I add my mosaic pieces, there will be enough room for them, but not too thick so that it's not proportional to my bee's body. Just like human legs, there are joints, so I'm trying to make knees and ankles so they're obvious that they're legs. When I draw my eye, I want to make it large because they have something known as compound eyes, which is thousands of our human eyes all together. This can be on insects and crustaceans. Now I'm taking some black construction paper and cutting it into small tiles. These can be any shapes, so to start I'm just making small rectangles or squares, and then I can cut them to the size I need for inside of my sketch. Using my glue stick, uncap, roll it up to where I need it, not too much. I'm placing the black pieces on the lines. Now I'll use my yellow construction paper and do much of the same work for the yellow stripes on the bee. Working with a tan paper color, I'll make the wings out of these strangely shaped polygons. Due to the ample sunlight from the summertime, I figured it was appropriate to show the chlorophyll in the leaf that our bee sits on. Chlorophyll is any of several related green pigments found in mesosomes of cyanobacteria, as well as chloroblasts of algae and plants. Just to add a little bit of science to your art lesson. Using more of my scrap yellow, this time in triangular and thin pieces, I figured it was good to add the veins of our leaf. The midrib vein is the one you see going from the root to the point, and the lateral veins go from side to side. It would have looked a little too muddied if I added veinlets along those ends. Inspired by the mosaic posted on Diane Sunsberg Mosaic's website, entitled Sunset from Oz, you can see that the colors have a reverse rainbow effect going from indigo and purple at the top and down to blue and red, pink, orange, and yellow for the sun. I tried my best to blend the colors in the same fashion that the picture shows. You'll notice some of the scrap paper that I'm using happens to be from our handprint flowers we made for Mother's Day. Link in the description below. here is my finished project. I hope you liked watching, learned some things, and try it out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.